Here's a Olympia SM3 typewriter. I've gone through it and reconditioned it. Made sure all the keys were functioning properly. I removed the rubber roller and sanded it down, and then used some rubber renew on it so they'll grab the paper real good. I installed a new black and red ribbon. Of course, I've cleaned all the key strikes. This is a wonderful typewriter that you can start typing right out of the box. It has a manual tab settings, and that means that on the back side you manually move these to wherever you want the tabs to be. This typewriter was made in the late 50s, and it's just a wonderful machine. So thank you for watching this